This video tutorial I will explain fill method of arrays class which accept double array from index to index and the double value. Here I have defined the class arrays demo. Here I have defined the double array and it has 4 double values. Then I am displaying the double array content. Then I am calling fill method of arrays class and passing double array and from indexes 0, which is this position, from index is inclusive, and two indexes 3, which is this position, and two index is exclusive, and value to be filled as 8.2. What this fill method will do is it fill the double array content with 8.2 in this range. After fill method is called, I am displaying the double array content, and here you can see the output. This range of values are filled with 8.2. You can get Java source code link from the description of the video. In mobile, to see the description, click on this icon. It will expand like this, and here you can see the description. It contains Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.